If you're experiencing anxiety, stress, or worry, this Yoga Nidra could be exactly what you need. My name's Kendra with Ray Yoga, and welcome or welcome back. Find a comfortable position lying down on your back if you can. Maybe place a blanket over you to keep you warm. Arms lengthen down towards your torso. Allow the palms to face up towards the ceiling. Gently closing the eyes when you're ready. Bring to mind an intention for this practice. Maybe you want to feel less stressed, or it's to calm your feelings of anxiety. Whatever this intention is, put it in a sentence as an already accomplished statement of truth. So for example, I am calm or I am peaceful. Whatever it may be, feel it to be true and repeat it to yourself in your head a few times. Make any shifts in your body you may need to do to allow yourself to become even more comfortable. Softening the body onto the ground. Know that this is a safe space. Find comfort in knowing there's nothing for you to do or see. Only listening along to my voice. Take a deep, full breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Inhale fully through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Soften even more. Become aware of your body resting. Allow your awareness to follow the sound of my voice. We will travel through different areas of the body, letting yourself feel each part as it's mentioned, without judgment or wanting to change anything, simply feeling each body part. Bring your awareness to the space between the eyebrows. Feel the eyelids, the right eyelid, the left eyelid. Notice the bridge of the nose. traveling down to the right nostril, left nostril, notice both nostrils and the subtle, cool air as you inhale. And the subtle, warm air as you exhale. Notice the lips, the jaw, the entire face expressionless. Notice the throat, you could even swallow, noticing the felt experience of the throat. Travel down to the center of the chest. Center of the belly. Center of the pelvis. Right and left knee. Right and left foot. Feel and notice the entire body, front and back. Your entire body resting in stillness. Staying awake and alert, yet soft and calm. Sense your breath without changing anything about it. Notice it, subtly moving the body as you inhale and exhale. With curiosity, follow your breath, your full attention on your body breathing itself. When your mind begins to wander, bring your attention gently back to the breath. Now follow the path of the breath, coming in through your nostrils as you inhale, down to your belly. And as you exhale, the breath moves out of the belly and out through the nostrils. Continue to follow the path of the breath with each inhale and exhale. With every inhale, the body expands. Every exhale, the body softens even more. Let go of any control of the breath. Allow the body to once again breathe itself. Take a moment to scan your body. And notice any areas of heaviness. Without judgment or wanting to change anything about this feeling, simply notice heaviness in the body. Now notice any areas of lightness. Bring the feeling of heaviness and lightness together. Feel and notice heaviness and lightness together. Now notice any areas of comfort in the body. Notice discomfort in the body. Feel comfort and discomfort together. The body resting in your safe space. Imagine yourself completely at peace and calm. What does your life look like in this state? Notice how your body feels. What sensations are present? See yourself calm and relaxed. Every cell in your body vibrating with health and joy. Feel your entire body pulsing with life. Bring your awareness back to the room around you. Slowly transitioning from stillness wiggle the toes, wiggle the fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And when you feel ready, slowly moving on to your day or evening. Thank you for taking this time to practice with me.